What's up, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to Life Empowerment, guys. And as you guys know, this channel is about growth, leveraging business credit, personal credit to leverage it and create wealth, right? So that's exactly what I'm about to talk about today. But this is more than anything for anybody who's trying to rebuild their personal credit. Maybe you don't have any credit at all established, or maybe you just, you want to start fresh and you're not getting approved for any credit cards. This is definitely by far the best secured credit card that you can absolutely get and start off from here. And these are the reasons why, guys. So first and foremost, if you're looking to get a secured credit card here with Navy Federal, obviously you have to be a member of Navy Federal. I will be making another video on how to become a Navy Federal member, even if you don't have, even if you're not a veteran, even if you're not military based, it's absolutely still doable. I know plenty of people who are not and are still getting access to these accounts, guys. So that's going to be for another video, but let's jump straight into it, right? So this is extremely powerful because anybody who's trying to rebuild their credit now, you can come in with Navy Federal and you can get the secured credit card, but this is not just any secured credit card, right? I've seen plenty out there with different banks, but this is extremely important, right? Navy Federal is the largest credit union in the world, right? Not sure if you knew that or not, but this is why you want to build that relationship with them. The secured credit card will also help you build the relationship with them. And what I love about Navy Federal is that you don't have to have great credit. You just have to have a great relationship with them, right? And how do you do that? By using their tools, right? By using their services. This is a great example. The secured credit card, right? So it helps you establish credit, as you can see here, new credit card users, or even to rebuild your credit, right? Now, this is absolutely great. And, yes, this is a hard inquiry. They will pull your, I believe is your trans unit, if I'm not mistaken. They'll pull your trans unit and you get your card. Now, to secure this, you're going to have to, have at least $200 in your savings account when they be federal. 200 and max is 5,000, right? 200 to 5,000. Now, what is this? This is going to report to all three credit bureaus as if you have a credit card with Navy Federal. Now that is extremely important to start rebuilding your credit and start, establishing your credit for the future. But what's most important here is, guys, that you're building your personal relationship with Navy Federal. Now, the reason why I say that is this next. Now, it's gonna take you, and if you guys want to, go over all these details, you guys can go on here on the website directly, look at all the details. But I just want to show you why this is extremely powerful, right? So you get the card. Let's say, in my example, I'm not going to give you exact numbers, but this is what I've seen in general out there, right? With people that I've known and, people that I've seen who has used this, right? So they go out there and they start off a secure credit card with Navy Federal for $200, right? Usually here on the terms and conditions, you can see after 6 months, it graduates, right? Potentially 6 months. I have seen special cases where it does take 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, but that's all going to depend on how you use it, right? If you have your low usage on it every month, if you're paying it on time, all of that obviously is going to take in consideration. If you're using it how you're supposed to be using it, you shouldn't have no issues. After 6 months, you should be good. It'll graduate. But this is what happens, right? I've seen people who start off with $200 in their with a secured credit card, and after about 3 months, right? This is not to everybody, but this is what's possible. What I've seen after 3 months, they increased their limit to $500, $700, and at the 6 month mark, I've seen people graduate from $200 to $2,000, right? That's extremely powerful. A lot of people out there, this will help you increase your credit. Obviously, you're already gonna have a history of payments, but that's also building your internal score. After your secured credit card graduates, it usually goes to the cash rewards. On the cash rewards, that's where you will have your unsecured $2,000, right? That's just an example. It could be more, it could be less, but I'm just giving you overall numbers that I've seen, right? Of when the card graduates. Now, what does that mean? Now you have graduated from a secured card to a real credit card with Navy Federal. Now, it's a cash reward card. I believe you can call or even change it for another ones, but usually that's the one that usually graduates to. Now, that's powerful, guys. I've personally never seen anything like that with any other banks, especially that you graduate that fast in 6 months. And this is for anybody, right? Now, The max is $5,000 that you can put in the secure credit card. Now that's extremely important too, because there's a lot of people out there that you don't have credit, but that doesn't mean you don't have money. There's a lot of people out there that I personally know, right, that have great amount of money, but they don't have credit, right? Because they're used to, just buying everything cash. They're very liquid. They don't really necessarily worry about credit, but it's extremely important on the long run and in the short term to start leveraging credit to build wealth, and that's exactly what this is all about, guys. So if you have $1,000, $2,000, 3,000, up to 5,000, you can put it in your savings account with Hero Navy Federal and open up the secure card. Obviously, the more, the better. Why do I say that? Right? I've seen people who started off their account with $5,000, the secure credit card. They used it well at 6 months. They graduated. Now they have a $15,000 credit card with Navy Federal. That's powerful, and that's only in 6 months. Now, those are not exact numbers. I'm not guaranteeing that's going to happen to you. Absolutely not. It could be more. It could be less. But what I'm saying is that that's the potential that it has, right? So all of those are extremely important, steps. Uh, and more than anything, this is also building your internal score with them. Now, if you do the pledge loan, if you don't know what a pledge loan is with Navy Federal, go to my other video, watch that. That is absolutely if you combine the pledge loan with the secure credit card, your credit score is going to be looking nice, but you're also going to be building your internal score with Navy Federal, guys. Now, a lot of people are asking, can you get denied? Absolutely. Navy Federal can deny you for this secure credit card, even if it's a secure credit card, right? And the reason for that is because, they also take it very serious. If you owe taxes, I believe that's one of the big reasons that they deny you. And then if you're in bankruptcy, right? If you have a bankruptcy in your credit report, I believe that's a strong reason why they will deny you. Those are just some of the things. Either way, if they do deny you, they'll send you a letter and they'll let you know exactly why they denied you, and they'll let you know your internal score in that letter as well. So that way you can continue to build it. That's why I say if you get if you get a pledge loan, that will help you. If you get some certificates with them, that will help you. If you have direct deposit with them, that will help to build your internal score with them and your relationship. And now if you tag it along with this, it's absolutely powerful. But this is another great tool that I like. You can get pre-qualified here. You pre-qualify, you put your details and information, and they will let you know what cards you qualify for at the moment. Absolutely powerful, guys. So with that being said, hope you guys got some value out of this. Like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. I'm going to be dropping a lot more videos just like this to help you get to that next level, to help you leverage credit, business credit, personal credit to build wealth. Let's go.